How we sell and buy property is always changing. We sincerely believe that real estate cannot be done like how it was in our parents' time or even 5 to 10 years ago. Not even like how it was done yesterday.
As needs change, real estate professionals have to go above and beyond traditional methods in order to bring out the best in a home to attract the right buyer at the right price.
At Property Partners, we believe in crafting a unique angle and preparing the home in a manner so that it will stand out from the crowd.
With more than 1,000 properties sold, worth more than 750 million and more than 700 happy clients.
Our team at Property Partners always focuses on the needs and purpose of every single client first.
Our mission is to provide comprehensive real estate solutions that empower our clients to make informed and successful property transactions that suits your needs, goals and purpose.
Whether it's evergreen methods like flyers or door knocking, or modern strategies like digital ads or social media content, we harness the power of creative marketing to bring you the experience you deserve.
Not only that, our signature star property method has helped countless families and individuals discover some of the safest properties to purchase.
Each shortlisted property goes through a stringent 7-point checklist to ensure that it's not just good today, but also future-proof for the long run.
Wherever in the world we may be, like here in New York City or back home in Singapore, we'll be sure to answer your urgent calls from anywhere. Be it in-person meetups, WhatsApp updates or video calls, Property Partners communicates with you the way you prefer.
Every one of us is dedicated to building long-term relationships by delivering exceptional service and unmatched expertise, ensuring every property journey is smooth and rewarding.
At Property Partners, we believe in partnering with you through dedication and heartfelt commitment. Not just blindly following trends, we pour our hearts into every case, ensuring a successful partnership and collaboration.
From the moment you first reach out to us, we listen to your needs, dreams and goals. Whether you're buying your first home, upgrading to something bigger, or looking for an investment property, our team is committed to making your journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible.
We're not just your real estate agents, we are your partners in this journey. So are you ready to partner up with us in your home journey?